Today I am going to show how to download the Nifty data from NSE website manually. This will be useful for you to do backtesting at your own tool. It can be Python or Excel. So let's get started. You can go to NSE India website. Here you can go to market data and historical reports. Since we want to download Nifty 50 data, let's check the indices and then historical index data. So we are here. Here we can select the index. So right now we can select the index type as historical index data, and the Nifty 50 is the equity type, and I am selecting Nifty 50. Here we can select the range. Ideally I would not go below 2000 for the data, and then today's date is 16th August. So once I hit the submit, it's going to show me the data, and then I can click on this button to download it in CSV format. So it is saved in CSV format, and then once I open that, I can open this CSV format in Excel. So here I can see the index name as a first column, which is Nifty 50, but I will add a filter here just to confirm that I got only Nifty 50. So I have a Nifty 50 only here, and then I have a date, open, high, low, close. This information is sufficient to form the candlestick data that you see in most of the websites. I can do sort of this date column from oldest to newest, so that I can see from 3rd January all the way up to 16th August 2024. So I can save this data as Excel, so that any calculation that I do is saved here. For example, I can create the pivot table with this data. So I can select all this data and insert pivot table, and then it's going to create in a new worksheet. Here I am interested in date column as rows, so I'm going to drag the date in rows, and then if I want to know what is the highest point, then I can drag the values. Instead of sum, I can change the value field setting to max. So now I know what is the highest value in each year for the Nifty 50, and then I can plot this data as a bar chart. The high value in 2007 is 6185, in 2008 it is 6357, and in 2009 it did not cross the previous high, and then in 2010 it crossed the previous high, and approximately it took 5 years to cross the high of the 2010. After that, if you see, there is no single year where the drop is there. Even in the 2020 where we had COVID, the high of the Nifty 50 is still above the 2019 high. So you can see the market rallied above 2019. If you want to select only the Q1 of a year, then you get the data only for the first quarter. So this is how you can filter and then do the analysis. So in next video I will cover how we can use this data to do more analysis to extract more insights from this data. So to know more about those insights, click on the subscribe button below so that you will get notification when I release a new video.